Hi everyone, this is Annindita Palaus. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very effective breathwork technique that is called Ujjayi breath technique, also known as ocean breath. It's a popular yoga breathing technique that has numerous benefits for both mind and body. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step method of practicing Ujjayi breath and highlight some of its amazing benefits. By the way, the word Ujjayi in Sanskrit means victory, so it's also called the victory breath. Before we get started, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as that is a zero-cost way for you to show support to my channel. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. And let's get started. So first step is, of course, finding a comfortable seated position. Once you learn how to do it, you can always be doing it even laying in bed. But when you are first starting out, it's best to just be in a comfortable seated position. And sit cross-legged or on a chair with your back straight, your shoulder relaxed. Keep your eyes closed and take a few deep, regular breaths to calm your mind. Just inhale deeply through your nose, filling up your lungs with air. Make sure to expand your chest and rib cage as you inhale and then exhale. And then the next step would be, with the next inhalation, constrict the back of your throat as you inhale and exhale, creating a hissing sound or a whispering sound in your throat. It may feel similar to fogging up a mirror with your breath. When you hold a mirror in front of you, sometimes you clean it and you do so it's kind of that sound. Another way of describing this breathing technique would be to try breathing with your nose. Your mouth is closed, but as you inhale or exhale, you actually feel the wind going through your throat, but you are not using your mouth. Your mouth is still closed. So just try that for a minute, and you're going to hear the sound is going to be pretty audible, and it's going to sound something like this. So I hope that was audible. Let me actually get a little bit closer to the camera so you could possibly hear it better. And let me try that again. Hopefully it was recorded the very first time. So you hear that sound. That sound is coming because I'm constricting the back of my throat. I'm making the wind pass through my throat even though my mouth is closed, so I'm not breathing with my mouth. It's not this. The mouth is closed, but I'm making the wind pass through the throat while the throat is a little bit constricted. This might sound a little complicated, but it's actually very simple. And once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to do. So keep on inhaling and exhaling through your nose while maintaining this constriction in your throat. As you exhale, feel the sensation of the breath moving through your throat and out of the nostrils. So the breath is still going in and out of the nostrils, but you have the sensation in the throat. And the sound of your breath should also be audible, kind of similar to the sound of ocean waves. And continue practicing this breath for several rounds. Try to maintain a steady rhythm and equal duration for both inhalation and exhalation. Ujjayi breath has several benefits that can help you improve your overall health and well-being. And here are just a few of them. It calms the mind and reduces stress and anxiety. So it is a great idea to practice this technique before you start your daily meditation session. And it increases the oxygenation of the body and improves respiratory function. It also helps in detoxification of the body by removing toxins and waste products. It is also supposed to boost energy levels and reduce fatigue, and enhances concentration and focus during meditation and yoga practice. It is also supposed to regulate blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. It improves digestion and aids in weight loss. So Ujjayi breath is a powerful breathing technique that has numerous benefits for both mind and body, and practicing it regularly can help you improve your overall health and well-being. It can be used during yoga, before or during a meditation session, or even at night while laying in bed. If you're having a hard time falling asleep and want to calm down your racing mind, try using this technique 8 to 10 times, maybe more if needed. Don't do it too many times though, because then it can be energizing. It might keep you awake longer. But if you do it 8 to 10 times, that is supposed to have a calming and relaxing effect. So if you like this video, then you might also enjoy watching this video on Healing Sutras, Mastering the Science of Self-Healing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for informative videos like this one. And like I said, it is a zero-cost way for you to show support and encourage me to keep making these videos. Also, please share this channel with your friends, family, and co-workers if you think these videos will be of interest and informative for them. I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.